Welcome to your favorite channel, Price Point. He was just a teenager when he walked into a stock ticker boardroom and made his first trade. By the time he was in his 30s, he had made and lost millions so many times that the market itself seemed to circle around one name: Jesse Livermore. Born in 1877, Jesse Livermore dropped out of school at 14 to work as a chalkboard boy at a brokerage. Every day he watched stock prices scroll across a ticker tape, writing them up on the board and slowly noticing patterns. He started small, betting pennies with friends at the bucket shop. Early day trading hubs where you didn't actually own the stock, you just bet on the price. Those bets turned into real cash, and that cash turned into obsession. Livermore didn't just trade. He studied. He tracked trends, volume, and how big players moved. He realized that prices didn't move randomly. They followed patterns driven by human emotion and smart money. By his early 20s, he had made his first $1,000. By his 30s, he had built a fortune that would be worth hundreds of millions today. He made legendary profits in the 1907 crash and again in 1929, when he famously short-sold the market and earned tens of millions in a single month. But here's the twist. Almost every time Livermore made a fortune, he lost it. Overconfidence, lifestyle inflation, blowing up his risk. He violated his own rules, adding size when he was winning, doubling down when he was losing. The same pattern: he'd invent a system, stick to it, succeed, then abandon it when ego or emotion took over. By the 1930s, he was broke, married, and struggling. His reputation lived on, but his bank account was gone. Livermore's story is less about how he won and more about why he kept losing, despite being one of the smartest traders of his time. What he figured out and then ignored was simple. Markets reward patience, discipline, and repeatable process. They punish overtrading, ego, and emotional revenge. He wrote a book, Reminiscences of a Stock Operator, that became one of the most influential trading books ever written. In it, he admitted, his biggest enemy wasn't the market, it was himself. So what does Jesse Livermore mean for traders today? It's not about recreating his big crashes or million-dollar short plays. It's about learning from his rhythm. Find an edge, define your rules, respect risk, and protect yourself from your own psychology. Livermore's legacy isn't his final net worth. It's the warning he left behind. Even the smartest trader in the world can be undone by discipline left at the door. Thank you so much for listening to the video. Feel free to like, share, and even subscribe for such stories like this.